Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of naked sport, bikes with the all-new 2026 Yamaha MT-07. A true street fighter at heart, the MT-07 has earned a massive following for its thrilling performance, agile handling, and everyday usability. For 2026, Yamaha refines its middleweight masterpiece with sharper styling, enhanced electronics, and a more responsive ride. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new MT-07 one of the most exciting bikes in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 embraces a bold new look inspired by the next generation Dark Side of Japan design philosophy. The headlight cluster now features a sleeker LED setup that gives the bike a more aggressive and futuristic face. Revised body panels and a tighter frame profile make the bike appear leaner and more muscular, while new color options and lightweight alloy wheels enhance its street presence. Yamaha has managed to evolve the MT's design without losing the raw, minimalist DNA that fans love. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the MT-07 continues to be powered by Yamaha's acclaimed 689cc CP2 parallel twin engine, now fine-tuned for smoother throttle response and improved efficiency. The engine delivers an ideal balance of torque and top-end punch, making it perfect for both daily rides and weekend thrills. A refined 6-speed gearbox and assistant slipper clutch ensure crisp gear changes, while the updated exhaust system adds a deeper, sportier tone. Yamaha has also introduced Selectable Ride Modes and traction control for the first time on the MT-07, enhancing control and confidence in all conditions. Safety and technology. Yamaha equips the 2026 MT-07 with a modern suite of electronic upgrades. The new 5-inch full-color TFT display offers smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and notifications on the go. Advanced ABS, traction control, and adjustable engine mapping bring big bike features to this mid-weight category. LED lighting all around and improved braking components boost both safety and style, ensuring riders feel connected and in command at all times. Conclusion. With its mix of dynamic design, upgraded electronics, and signature torque-driven performance, the 2026 Yamaha MT-07 redefines what a middleweight naked bike can be. It's a perfect blend of practicality, excitement, and attitude, ready to dominate the streets once again. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, first rides, and deep dives into the most thrilling machines on two wheels.